Hello, Timmy Nafso here, Executive Vice President and co-founder of FortisPay. We're discussing how peer-to-peer payments continue to increase year over year, with Bank of America and Zelle announcing about a 138% increase year over year in peer-to-peer payments. Well, what does that actually mean? What that means is small, mid-sized businesses, the country in general, and the habits of the new generation that's coming up is that the card itself is starting to disappear, right? You've watched the evolution of the credit card, the debit card, cash payments start to go in a really different direction. It's taken some time to get here, but with this increase, what you're seeing is it's more common, as an example, for a student to transfer money to another student utilizing Zelle or PayPal or one of these other mobile options, rather than say, I'll get you cash in a week or so, or I'm gonna pay you in some other method like a check. So the peer-to-peer payment method is actually, it's been gamified with products like Zelle and some other products where you can actually utilize chat also within this experience of paying a person through some type of online system, through some type of app, through your bank, so on and so forth. And banks are starting to become more dynamic. Banks have always been looked at as these old institutions that do things in a dated fashion. And what you're watching happen now is banks are shifting. And as you start to see banks shift how they transmit and transfer payments or offer solutions for people to make payments, as do businesses shift. So businesses in general should expect you should have Apple Pay activated. You should have Google Pay activated. These types of payments are very important. The reason being is the consumer going to continue to pay with a card in their pocket? And the answer to that in the near future is going to be no. More and more consumers are just going to walk in and try to transmit a payment utilizing their mobile device. People want to carry less, not more. People want to travel with less, not more. And these types of products like Zelle, Apple Pay, Google Pay are going to offer that opportunity to businesses, to peer-to-peer experiences, and as well as people are going to actually ask the question, wait, you only accept paper checks? Wait, you only accept a card that's in plastic? Well, why? Right? So evolution of the card, evolution of how payments were made. You know, years ago there was the Diners Club card, which is just a cardboard card, right? That's where it started. Then from there we went into plastic cards that were embossed, right? So raised numbers where you would take an imprint of it. Right? Then that went away to now it's flat with the numbers actually just being, not even embossed or anything like that. You can't even take an imprint of the card anymore. Okay, chip and pin. All these things are happening, but really where it's evolving to is the watch, the phone, carrying less, and a peer-to-peer model where people feel that they can make a payment in immediate environment if they need to. So really paying attention to how this is going to continue to move. You're going to start to see this really gain traction because the youth has now become the new business owner, right? And that's going to continue to evolve generationally. Excited to see how it changes. Please comment below, and thanks for listening.